Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut keyframe animation for smooth transitions. So let's get started. Now, first of all, you could add a background to your timeline and then you're going to add the image that you wish to create transition for at the top of that. Now you can see that I have this background of that as a color and I have added this image of a girl at the top. So now let's say that I want to animate it in a way that I want the girl to slide in from the left hand side. So first of all, simply slide the image to the left-hand side so that it disappears from our canvas. And if it is completely disappeared, you can simply pinch zoom out and then you'll be able to see the image frame. So now you gotta simply go back over here and you gotta click on transform. You'll be able to see a keyframe option right next to transform. So once you click on keyframe, next you're gonna move forward on your timeline. And when you have reached your desired position, so before clicking on the keyframe, you're gonna simply drag this image to the center like this. And once done, you can either click on keyframe manually or you'll be able to see that a keyframe has been added. And now you can see that there is a smooth transition like this, even if we start the video from the start like this. And when we play it, we can see there is a smooth transition. So that was how you can use CapCut keyframe animation for smooth transitions. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.